Okay, this is my tomato plant. I don't know if you can see the holes in the leaves or not, but the bugs got on it heavy in just 3 days. All right, what I did, and what I did already yesterday, I'm doing it again today. Spray it with your soap water, milk water, whatever you want to call it. All right, spray it. Now, this plant should come on back in a couple of days. Now to help it, what I will do is this. I will take and sprinkle, which I have done twice, but that's why I'm putting a small amount. You can put a couple of tablespoonfuls around the plant. Now what that does, this turns that plant bright green, if you'll notice the green plants. Now, when you do all that, and in South Louisiana, you better check the temperature of the water coming out of your hose pipe, or you'll cook your plants. All right, you wet it down, you get all the Epsom salts into the ground, and on top of that, notice how this plant's kind of red. What I did, I sprinkled red pepper on it, cayenne pepper, around the bottom. That stops the slugs, they won't touch it. Any soft-bodied insects won't touch it. It hurts them. In squash, Tabasco sauce, put it in the hole where the squash borer is, put a little Vaseline over the hole to seal it, just a small amount. That bug's coming out of that squash. He'll come out, he can't take it. The Tabasco lights him up and he comes out. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta keep an eye on it and take care of it. Like and subscribe.